Come spend the day with me at my father-in-law's farm in Gracie Rock, Belize. And what a day it was. I mean, have you ever been welcomed by a herd of cows and a friendly pack of dogs?
Hey, little doggies.
Aside from seeing family and enjoying this quiet and serene space, one thing we always look forward to when we visit is the food. It's not just any food. This is a fire hot food. It has this rich, deep, smoky flavor. My goodness. My mouth is watering looking at the footage. Look upon this delicious, fluffy rice and beans. Local chicken that my father-in-law's wife captured, plucked, and cleaned. And watch this chicken ya in the kitchen. He on the bowl face the prance strong in ya when he could eat this spot tomorrow. And in this spot, my good people, is iguana, better known as bamboo chicken. That my father-in-law hunted, cleaned, and cooked himself. He also cooked the iguana egg as well. Nothing got to waste. Look at this plate. And we have to top it off with Dad's homemade pepper sauce. No, excuse me a minute, make a lash off this plate. Was superb. Wow. The chicken was so flavorful and fell off the bone. And the iguana tastes like chicken. And the egg was really good too. It has a nuttier, creamier flavor and texture than regular eggs. And you don't eat the outer part, you just squeeze out the yolk and eat that. What a blessing to have enjoyed such a delicious meal. Now that we're belly full, make we go check out the land and meet the animals. Whoa! Come, baby, the big turkey. I'm coming right here to see the turkey. Whoa! Come, cow. You have a turkey. Come. You want to eat it? Mine, there's has barbed wire. Hi, cows. She feisty, no? Ooh, afraid. Oh, hi, little sheep. Wow, interesting. Oh, so they sit down right there right now on top of the egg. But you can't move there like that. You have to wait.
You can't put your hand in there because they'll pick you.
Oh, my.
Turkey and chicken.
Wow.
I'm going to wheelbarrow.
Right now, baby, not that one. Oh, hey, to drink it, breastfeed, to drink milk. Oh, that's cute. But she must have said, man, this one here, they push me. Baby, the cow drinking choo-choo. You're scared? Don't be scared. It's okay. She's hungry. Wanna give her? Wow, good job. It's okay, baby. Good job.
Good job feeding Lily.
Now I felt parched after all the exploring, and nothing quench your thirst like fresh coconut water.
How you know which coconut ready, dads? I never know that. Okay, so the higher it is, the better. Okay, interesting. Okay. But the one where they hang low, then they older. Okay. Okay. For use the coconut like meat. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Coconuts.
And watch their dog, you know, the fight over the coconut meat. I had to wrestle some for myself. I don't usually eat the meat, but it is sweet. This is always a refreshing experience for me. I'm a city girl, okay? So the farm or village life is just fascinating to me. But for my husband, he is in his element. He grew up here and enjoyed the best of the simple life and lived off the land. When he was a kid, they didn't even have electricity out here. They used a flashlight or a lamp to move around at night, but he was happy. And imagine having a river, a whole river in your backyard. I mean, come on. Even the dogs enjoy relaxing by the river. Their dog no know how good they have life. Well, I mean, aside from trying not to get eaten by a jaguar that prowls the night. My father in law said the jaguar attacked and ate about 10 dogs and 5 sheep already. So, yeah, one of the risks living out in the bush. But how rewarding was this? Oh, it's so good for the soul to reconnect with nature. We have drifted so far from the source of sustenance. We have become distant and distracted that sometimes we miss out on the bountiful gifts that God created that surrounds us. Let's always remember to be grateful for what we have, and let's make a conscious effort to protect what God has blessed us with. I hope you enjoyed spending the day with me at the farm. Until next time, cowies. Bye, doggies. Have a wonderful day, and God bless you.